The following segment is sponsored by Dr. Lampee.
Welcome back to AM Northwest. He can change your life in just one day. Here to share how teeth in 24 can give you a smile you'll be proud to show the world. We welcome back Dr. Heath Lampee along with his patient Mona. Good to see you guys.
Good morning.
I'm going to start with you, Mona. First of all, tell me what brought you to Dr. Lampee.
I had no teeth. I had like 6 teeth in my mouth, and I was having constant infections. And my regular doctor said the next infection could kill you.
Wow.
You need to get this taken care of.
Yeah.
And I saw him on here, and he talked about...
As in on AM Northwest?
On
Gotcha.
AM Northwest, and he talked about how there's no judgment.
Yeah.
He just wanted to help, just to fix. And so I went and saw him.
And what did you see when you looked at Mona's teeth?
Well, Mona said that, told me that she'd been to the dentist 12 or 13 years prior, and she'd been berated, ashamed, you know, they thought she was a drug addict or something like that.
Yeah, they thought you had been smoking meth.
Yes.
Oh.
And so for so many of my patients, it's not just one thing. There are a myriad of things. It could be genetics. It could be they didn't get good care when they were a kid. You know, maybe a sugar addiction.
Like you had as a child.
Oh, yeah. I was addicted to Jolly Ranchers in high school.
Yeah.
So Mona came in, it'd been a decade, and there were just like 6 teeth left. She didn't know where to bite anymore.
Yeah.
She couldn't smile, she couldn't go out, didn't want to go out to eat at a restaurant, not just because she couldn't eat the food there, but it was embarrassing too. There was a really embarrassing incident where a kid had seen her teeth and asked her dad about
I
what
see.
was going on.
We're looking at the before.
And there was just nothing there.
Yeah.
And so we decided that the rest of the teeth needed to go. We basically needed to start with a blank slate. A clean slate.
Yeah.
And so we could paint her a beautiful new picture. And so in one day we were able to take the teeth out. We were able to do sedation for comfort.
And we're showing the viewers the after, which is incredible.
Implants, top and bottom.
Yeah.
Gave her a brand new smile. Had to recreate her bite, which was a little bit of a challenge because her teeth had been gone so long that her jaw didn't know where to go anymore.
Interesting.
So we had to retrain the jaw, and that's what happens for a lot of my patients who have been missing their teeth for so long.
Right. And how are you feeling?
Amazing. My
physically feeling better.
My health has gotten so much better. I used to be sick all the time because my body was so focused on keeping my teeth from being infected.
Right.
Because I was constantly getting pockets of infection and pain, and I was always sick, and I'm not sick anymore.
And that's the thing that happens, right?
And for so many of my patients, for decades, I've had these low-grade infections where their immune system is constantly fighting it, and these dental infections are higher risk, put you at higher risk for stroke, heart attack, bacterial infections, and so your immune system is constantly overworked. And when I finally get rid of the infection, the immune system can chill out and focus on doing what it does best, protecting the patient.
And it's incredible. So, actually, teeth in 24.
Yeah, so in 24 hours, we got the teeth out, put the implants in, got her a brand new permanent set of teeth. That was set 1 of teeth. That's the first set.
Right.
And then we actually start making a second set 2 to 3 months later, which is a prototype of the final set. And so, but in one day, we do pretty much the majority of the work.
Yeah. Wow. And what has been the reaction from friends and family?
They can't believe how different I look.
Yeah.
My facial structure is completely different. I can speak more clearly.
Right.
I can go out to eat. I can be more social.
Yeah.
I've been to a few parties, and
look at
people
you
are
go.
just amazing. The going out to eat thing is a big one for me. Like you said, not too long before I had the surgery, we were out getting something to eat at Costco, of all places, and a kid saw me and I heard him ask his dad what's wrong with that woman. And the dad, you know, shushed him and made him turn away. But I mean, that's the kind of reaction I used to get all the time. And now I can smile at people, and I can go out and laugh and talk and eat, and I have no worries at all about it.
That's so great, Mona. Congratulations. Thank you, Dr. Lampee. You want to tell everyone, if you would like to find out more about teeth in 24, you can contact Dr. Lampee. We'll put all the information on our website, 503-646-2273. We'll put it on KATU.com. Thank you both so much. All right, we'll be right back with more AM Northwest. Don't go away.